Basic workout routine for beginners. This routine covers all major muscle groups and can help you build a solid foundation of strength and fitness. Remember to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions. Warm up. 1. 5-10 minutes of light cardiovascular activity, e.g., brisk walking, light jogging, jumping jacks, to raise your heart rate and warm up your muscles. Workout. Perform each exercise for 3 sets of 10-12 repetitions, reps, with 1-2 minutes of rest between sets. Bodyweight squats. 1. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. 2. Bend your knees and lower your hips as if you're sitting back into an imaginary chair. 3. Keep your chest up and back straight. 4. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Push-ups. 1. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. 2. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your chest almost touches the ground. 3. Push back up to the starting position. Dumbbell rows. Can use household items if you don't have dumbbells. 1. Place one knee and hand on a bench or sturdy surface, with the other foot on the ground. 2. Hold a dumbbell in the opposite hand. 3. Pull the dumbbell towards your hip, keeping your elbow close to your body. 4. Lower the dumbbell back down and repeat. Bodyweight lunges. 1. Stand with your feet together. 2. Take a step forward with one foot and lower your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. 3. Push off the front foot to return to the starting position and switch legs. Plank. 1. Start in a push-up position, but with your weight on your forearms instead of your hands. 2. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core muscles. 3. Hold this position for the desired amount of time, start with 20-30 seconds and increase gradually. Cool down. 1. 5-10 minutes of gentle stretching for all major muscle groups. Remember to start with weights or resistance levels that are comfortable for you and gradually increase the intensity as you become more comfortable with the exercises. Additionally, listen to your body and rest if you feel any pain or discomfort during the workout. It's also a good idea to vary your routine and include different exercises over time to continue challenging your body and making progress.